Welcome to Racing Geeks, a new car and motorsport related channel. Here we have my project car, a rare and exciting Peugeot 206 GTI. In this video I'll be giving it a good deep clean after completing the North Coast 500 and the Isle of Skye road trip after doing over 1,000 miles of driving. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Firstly, the pre-cleaning process was carried out with the jet wash to remove any loose particles. A foaming applicator was then applied straight after with a long even coat, and this was then left for 5 minutes to bed into the body to remove any dirt and grime. After the 5 minutes had passed, a hand wash was carried out with microfiber products to remove any further dirt and grime, and this was then followed by a halo rinse, also known as a high pressure rinse, which thoroughly removes all the foam and shampoo from the vehicle. Lastly, a waxing agent was used to provide a nice shine to the car as well as a layer of protection, as this acts as a paint sealant, and this made the car come out really nice.
That'll be